unlock the power of real-time communication in your Node.js apps with Twilio. Let's dive into integrating Twilio's robust communication capabilities directly into your server-side JavaScript applications. First, you'll need to set up your Twilio account, obtain your account SID, and auth token from your Twilio console. Dashboard, these credentials are vital for authenticating your application with Twilio's services. Next, we'll install the official Twilio Node.js library. This library simplifies the process of interacting with Twilio's APIs, making it easy to leverage their powerful features within your project. Now, initialize the Twilio client in your Node.js application. Passing in your unique account SID and auth token, this connection allows your code to speak with Twilio's platform. To send an SMS, you'll construct a message object. This involves specifying the recipient's phone number, your Twilio phone number, and the content of your message. Then, you'll use the Twilio client to send this message with just a few lines of code. Your Node.js application can send outbound SMS messages to any number. Beyond SMS, Twilio also empowers voice calls. You can programmatically initiate outbound calls or handle incoming calls, routing them to your application logic for custom responses. Imagine receiving an alert on your server when a customer calls, then instantly displaying their details in your application. This level of interactivity dramatically enhances user experience. By mastering Twilio integration in Node.js, you're equipping your applications with powerful, real-time communication tools, making them more dynamic and engaging than ever before.